how to set up an automatic reply for Hostinger email. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, you will need to click the Manage button under the Domains section. On this page, click the Manage Email button under the Manage Your Email section. Next, click the Mailboxes tab on the left side of the screen. On this page, you will see all the email accounts associated with your website. Set up an automatic reply for email. Select the email account and click the three-dotted More option. Next, click the Create Automatic Reply option from the drop-down menu. On this page, using the Auto Reply email form, you can set up the email that will be automatically sent whenever anyone emails you in Hostinger. In the first field, enter the subject of the Auto Reply email. Here, select the start date for when the email auto reply should begin. And in this field, select the end date for the auto reply, after which the automatic emails will stop. For example, if you are going on vacation and can't reply in time, you can set an auto reply message. If you want the auto reply to start immediately, you can select this option and continue without an end date. You can select this option instead. In this box, enter the main content of the email, along with any links or information you want to include. Finally, click the Create button. And done. You can see the email auto reply has been successfully set up in Hostinger. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.